Okay, so this is a breadboard. And it's used for prototyping because it makes connections for you. And the reason that happens, if you see below the breadboard, all of these little holes are connected with metal, which then connects circuits. So you'll notice that if I hold these next to each other, the two bars going along the up and the top and the bottom, those are all connected to each other with a piece of metal. So anything I put in here, if I connect a battery into there, that means that every hole along this row of inputs is connected. You can see it right here because it's one big metal strip. Similarly, this one down here in blue, we tend to consider the negative or ground row. And so again, all of these will now be connected to whatever I have connected to the blue wire, because there's one big metal going across the bottom, which will connect them all. And so the red channel along here that's all connected, we tend to call that the positive channel. But of course it's only going to be positive if that's what you hook into it. Now, coming along these columns, and notice I hold the breadboard horizontally. So each of these columns are connected to each other. You can see because that's how the metals are done. So if I connect an LED leg to that column, which you'll see in a minute, or if I put a battery in this column or whatever, anything in here will be connected to it because that's how the metal is connected underneath. Notice that there are no connections between the top and the bottom of the breadboard. So this part is completely severed from this part. If for some reason you need to connect those two, or put a cable from one column to the other, and I now connected this column to the bread column I'm going to be using, because gray board you're going to do a lot leads. It's a really great way to set up having to use a socket and it's circuit handy without having doing the wire thing that Mark did in my hand. Is that you silly saw that didn't stay together already. So that's how we're going to use breadboards. Well, next I'll show you how to do that light circuit on the breadboard.